Well, happy Monday afternoon, everybody. I promised the new guys a setup video on Apache Starter, and this is really going to be pretty quick. So, Starter is loaded here on 39-minute chart. Settings are, no, not that. We need settings. Style. Scout. Scout signals provide the top-up features in the script. You can either use Scout or you can either use War Party. I prefer Scout. It's either or. You guys can decide which ones you want to use. That's fine. Hunter. Hunter provides the open and the close signals in the trend. No other signal opens and closes. This is it. It's our main signal. And it's for normal, everyday trading. Now, if you find that the market is ranging and it's flipping, going back and forth, that's a pain in the ass. It's costing money. You can go to a longer trend signal, and that longer trend signal is an ATC signal right here. Either one. If you want to use them, turn them on. You don't want to use them, turn them off. Keep your chart as clean as you can. That's the best way to do this. I'm not going to get into the individual inputs because you guys will get lost. I have them set up as an ultimate signal. When you get it, Hunter is going to be set to 1. And you can see, I get to move this out of the way. You can see it hits all the tops and bottoms. Right? That's a flip right here. That's a flip. That's a flip. That's a flip. These are real short, choppy movements. And every time it flips, you're paying fees. So it's costing money. In a normal market, when we've got things going up and down on a regular basis, you can't beat Hunter. What I do is I set it to 2. And you saw what it did. It filtered it out. So now you have less signals, and it's a little safer in the trend. Now, I know there's some of you in here that have no idea what I'm talking about when I talk about a trend. A trend is a wave between a buy and a sell. And the easiest way to explain it is this. We got a long signal here. Now let's do this. We got a short signal here. Well, that fired there. You remained in profit to here. So this bought all the way down, and then she came back up and switched. And if you had TTP activated, then you took profit along the way. Now, the other side of the flip is it would have bought in here. And you would have rode it up to here. Then the next flip would have been from here to somewhere in here. Let's see if I can get this up there. here somewhere. Oh, and then she would have gone sideways here for a little bit. And then she'd have bought in here. And we're on our way down again. And this is where we're at right now. So, those are trends. So when I talk about a trend, that's what I'm talking about. It's a trend on a 39-minute chart. And our 39-minute chart is the sweet spot for the bot. No ifs, ands, or buts. Let me shut that off. But the other thing I want to remind you of, when you set the bot up for the first time, or if you set the bot up in the middle of making changes or whatever you're doing, you can't jump in here and expect to make any money. You can make a little bit, but probably not. You need the full weight of the full trend in order to make profit. Because it is going to go down a little bit. This went up and then it went down. So what did you make here? You probably broke even here. From here to here, you're all in profit. From here to here, you bought in here, you were in profit to here. But if you had TTP on, then of course you cut the pump. So, but if you buy in here, it isn't going to work. If you buy in here, it isn't going to work. You have to, if you get out and you're going to get back in, you have to wait for the next signal. That is the only safest way to do this. I mean, if you went long here and she flipped here, this trade cost money. You'd be down. And you picked it all up when you got down here, but that's not the point. You need the buffer from up here to absorb the little bit of profit that you might have lost here to gain it back down here. This is trend trading. You're not scalping highs and lows. You're riding waves. And if you catch the middle of the wave, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get screwed. And you can't complain about it because you know it. Wait for the signal. When the signal fires, you're in the trend. And you got to ride it. If I was brand new and I started here and I caught this little pump, well, I'd be pretty pissed because right here I'd be a little bit upside down. But then I would have come back up here. I would have broke even, made a little bit. I'd lost a little bit here, and she would have flipped, and then I'd been back in profit on the way down. Not every trade is a winning trade. Can't happen that way. You have to look at the averages, and you have to look at it over the course of time, whether it be a week or a month or whatever. You have to let it run. So pretty quick and easy. I mean, this is simple stuff. The signals are dead on. You can't go wrong. If you don't want to use the ATC signals and you just want to use Hunter, and you set the settings to 2 instead of 1, then it's going to be just as profitable. So I just wanted to point that out. More importantly was the settings. You get an idea of what the bot does. This is a trend trading proposition. So I am glad and happy to help. Everybody in the group will help. Enjoy it, have fun, make money, and I'm out. Talk to you later. See you in the group. Bye.